Pivot knife sharpener is a go-anywhere sharpener. You can restore an edge or put a new edge on any blade, basically wherever you are. It also has a diamond plate on the side for sharpening tools, and it has a groove in there for sharpening fish hooks. The Pivot Plus knife sharpener is an easy-to-use go-anywhere sharpener. And if you have any serrations, you can touch those up with the tapered diamond rod. The Pivot Pro gives you so much versatility when sharpening all of your tools, from kitchen knives to hatchets. It can live on your workbench or your kitchen drawer. This thing is feature-packed. On the bottom it has 2 dedicated carbides, and then it has a large diamond plate with this big handle, so you can really get some leverage on sharpening things like an hatchet.
This gives you a complete solution to maintain your knife out in the field for both the sharpness of the edge and the safety and the maintenance of all the fasteners on it.
What I really like about Angle Set is that it is a complete solution in a very compact form. But the object is you hold your knife in a vertical position all the time. We adjust the machine around you, so you always do the same thing.